Hello guys, in today's video we are going to learn quicksort. Before that, this is my GitHub repository, and if you want all the code which I'm going to add in the DSA playlist, so you will find in DSA repository. And if you want to learn DSA step by step, then just search my name in Google and click on my website which is kisharaj4a.netlify.app, and click to TSA section, and you will find the all the videos here. And I'm going to add all the videos one by one. If you complete hip sort, just click on the check button. It will uh, stored in the local storage, so you don't have to worry about if I refresh, the data will lost. No, data will stay here. Okay, so coming back to our topic, quicksort. So quicksort, what we do in quicksort, we select the pivot element, which is a element in a array. It is any element in the array, whether it is first element, whether it is last element, whether it is a middle element. Just we have to decide the pivot element and define two array and compare with the pivot element. If I select the 8 as a pivot element, then I will define left array and right array. If the element is greater than 8, then I will append the element to the right array. And if the element is 10, if the element is 7, then I will append the element in left array. So just we will implement two codes. First is static pivot element, and second is randomly generated pivot element. So first of all, we will start with static pivot element. So define quicksort. Quicksort, we will pass the array ARR, and uh, first step is common in all the sorting array is that if the length of array is less than equals to 1, then what we do, return array. Got it? After that, we will define the pivot element. Pivot. Let's say I want to fix it last element. So what I will do is error of -1. Okay. After that, we have to use the we have to create the two empty array, left array and right array. Okay. Then use for loop for I in the range of length of array error, and we have to just use -1 because we are fixed the last element as a pivot element, so we have to ignore that element from the array. So after that, by ignoring the last element, just have to use if condition. If the pivot is greater than the error of I, what we have to do is append left dot uh, append the ith element, error of I. Got it? After that, we have to write else condition, which is opposite of the if. We have to just append in right array, append the element into right array, right dot append error of I. Okay. After completing the for loop, what we have to do is return, and we have to use the recursion for that. Oh, by using recursion, it will sort the array very fast. So use quick sort, and in quick sort, we have to pass the array. So first we will pass left array, then we concatenate with the pivot element. So pivot is an element, not an array. So we have to just pass the pivot in a square bracket, and after that we have to pass right array. So we use recursion for that quick sort, and in quick sort we have to just pass right array. This is it. This is the code of quick sort. So just define the random array, 45, 18, allow for a reason, 54, 12, 6, 2, 1. 2, 1. 6, 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. So just call the function quicksort and pass the array. So after passing array, just execute it. So you will see that the our code is working properly. Just I have to add if the what if we want to uh, generate the random pivot element. So for that, we will just copy paste the all the code which we written in this code section, and just we will do small modifications. Like first of all, we have to import our numpy as np. Okay. After that, for here, what we will do. Uh, mm, 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 mm. Okay. Error of in square bracket np dot random dot randint. In randint, we will pass the uh, from where to where. So 0 to length of array -1, because the actual length is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But when we write the length of array, it will return 8. So we have to just -1 for that, and it will generate the random element. And in for loop, we have to ignore the pivot element. For that, what we will do, just remove the -1, because the pivot element is not going to the last element. For ignoring the uh, ignoring the pivot element, what we will do, if the I error of I equals to pivot, then what it will do, it will ignore the pivot element. And so okay, just here what mistake I done is, I am iterating the element. We don't have to iterate the element. We compare the index. What if the element would be same? Like I will pass 54 54, then it will two times ignore the element. So we just have to ignore the index of that element. So what we will do is pivot underscore index. We will define the function pivot index, and we will pass the this code, square brackets code in pivot index, and we will just write pivot index in array. So now here we have to pass uh, pivot index. Okay, then when index is equal to the pivot index, then we have to just continue the our code. So done. We are done with our randomly generated pivot index code. So just we have to execute the code, and you will see that our code is working properly. So this is how Quicksort works. I hope you will like this video. And the average case time complexity of Quicksort is of log n. Okay, and the worst case is of n square, and space complexity should be of log n. And sorry, average case is of n log n. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.